What's going on, everybody? Welcome to day 66 on the path to $30,000 a month. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life, and over the last couple of years, I have progressed in my entrepreneur journey, and I want to help you guys out as well. Or if you're already an entrepreneur, enjoying the journey with me. Getting started for today, I've been working on some cold email leads, which I'll show you in a second. I am cooking up a steak currently, so got to keep an eye on that. And then also I'm working on a course, okay? So this course is not an Amazon course. I know that's probably if you were expecting me to make an Amazon course, but this is my first time making a course, and I want to make sure I can do the best that I can be for the Amazon course. So this will be my first course test. It is an AI book generating. It's just my first course, and I want to make sure that it is really good. But I promise you that a course for Amazon will be coming, but I'm probably not going to do it on Udemy. I may, but I really want to make that towards you all that have been watching me since day one. I want to make that course really, really good for you. It will be out soon. I'm not sure when. I'm going to start working on it now, which I will show you. I will also be doing a promotion for my subscribers on YouTube. So just be on the lookout for that. This is the start of my course. This is my landing page. So Master AI Book Creation, Write and Publish a Book in One Day. Unleash Mario, so is my subtitle. And then here is my description. As you can see, like I said, I'm all new to this. So if you want to go to my curriculum, this is my sections. So section 1 is introduction, 2 is getting started, 3 is choosing your book topic, and then creating your book content, formatting design, designing a book cover with Canva, publishing your book, conclusion and next steps, and additional resources. So like I said, this is my first course I'm creating, and ideally this is the course that I wanted to do first because I knew it would be a shorter course, and so I could learn a lot from this experience. But I also want it to be good quality. I'm just getting my feet wet into the course life because I've never done it before. Comment down below, let me know if you're interested, because I will do promotions. So yeah, if you're interested, comment down below, just be like, hey, I'm interested, say something like that. And then once I publish this book, I will send you all promotions. In return, my idea is if you can just give me a review and let me know what you think, because it'll help boost this up in Udemy's algorithm, and then I can start selling, and then I can add that to my portfolio of things that are selling. So then you can see how much money I make. That is where I'm at with this course. I will get back to this a little bit later, and I will start videotaping some more stuff throughout the progress of making this course. So I know some of y'all are pretty interested in my cold emailing strategy, and I'll show you where I'm at. I'm just gonna be very raw with you and show you my analytics and show you how I'm doing on here. So I'm gonna go hit analytics here. We have a 22% open rate, which is horrible, in my opinion. I've sent 151 messages. A lot of them have bounced. So this is where I'm at, and this is like the analytics for each and every person or campaign that I have created here, so you can see what has been doing good, what hasn't. Most of them just have not been doing good. So a few of my subscribers have been absolutely amazing in helping me figure out what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong, if I'm on track, and so I'm very thankful. So I really appreciate you all helping me out through this new journey of cold emailing. So thank you very much. So also, full transparency, I am leveraging AI to create the back end of this course. It'll help structure it, it'll make it sound more professional. I am going through it naturally and making sure everything looks right. But I just wanted to be completely open and honest with you, because if you are going to be purchasing this course, I want you to be aware of that. And it will get it done quicker, but it'll be done right, and I'm double checking everything to make sure it looks good. I just wanted to put that out there. Oh, I also wanted to say something else. Thank you so much. We hit 1,600 subscribers, which is insane. Like, we were just at 1,500 like a couple days ago. So thank you so much. And that is helping me keep going through these ups and downs and trying to do the cold emailing and still working on Amazon. Yes, I'm still working on Amazon, but it is just a lot harder when you're not getting paid. It's like doing a job that you're not getting paid. I'm being an intern right now, basically, is what it is. I'm Amazon's intern. We're gonna get back to the video. I'm gonna go walk the dogs. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna work on some customer orders because we haven't been doing those lately. So I appreciate everyone that's been sticking by me and understanding what I'm going through right now. So we'll get back to the video. See you in a bit. All right, so starting off with some customer orders after a day of doing the back end work and some cold emailing. We're starting with those cat decals. We're getting everything done. We're getting the transfer tape on all of the decals, getting that done. basically a couple of these medicine, I cannot say the word because Amazon won't let me. All right, so you're probably wondering, I had 3 of those mug boats sold. You just watched. Those ended up being TikTok orders. Like I said, I'm not getting notified. Hopefully they weren't late, but still the fact that I still didn't get notified. But yeah, they're 3 $13 orders, so not bad. All right, so we are starting with these goat decals. I had made 10 of these and then made another 10 while these were getting cut. The other ones were getting cut out. I was de-weeding these, and now I'm actually cutting these out and putting transfer tape on all 10 of these. And then I will have to put some labels on those and get those shipped out to Amazon FBA, as well as a few decals, which I will explain in just a few moments. Everyone, so I just got done with these decals. There are 10 right here. These are the goat decals that have been selling really well. So I'm gonna get these 10 out, and then I also have these 10 here. And then I have to get some more dog mode Tesla decals out. And then these caution wide turn decals out, because I just sold 10 of them and I only had like 20 in there. So I'm gonna go get those out, but I'm not gonna record it because I gotta get this video out for all of you before I go to bed. So I'm gonna go edit this video, and then when I'm done with that, I may just finish labeling those and then packaging them up, but I may wait till tomorrow. So I mean, you'll find out tomorrow. But anyways, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I cannot believe we are 2 months into this journey, and there's been so many ups and downs. It's crazy. I cannot wait to watch this from 10 years from now and just hopefully be laughing at all this. Seriously, guys, you're really helping me. You're guiding me. I mean, you are also helping me out hopefully just as much as I'm helping you out. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go over yesterday's revenue and see how much money. So I'm just gonna add in these 3 sales of mug boats that I got sold on TikTok. And then we did $483.57 on Amazon yesterday. We did $522 total with those TikTok orders that I added in. And so we are at $3,035. So not bad. We should be around $5,000 right now, but we're not, and that's okay. Actually, it would be 4,000. My bad. But anyways, this is just how it's gonna be for a little bit. I think we're gonna have some really chaotic days and then some non-chaotic days, just because I'm testing out the cold emailing. I'm getting mug boats in. Like, there's just so much going on right now. So I really appreciate you all watching this video. Thank you so much. I make a video every single day until we hit $30,000 a month. So this is day 66. Tomorrow will be day 67. So I hope to see you all there. Have a great rest of your day, guys, and I will see you all tomorrow.